Hey everyone, Thelma here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I have for you a medium-size Five Below haul. But before we get into that, I would like to let y'all know and remind you if you've already been to my channel, but it's about the 2 giveaways that I have going on, the contest. All you have to do is watch my videos. I'd appreciate it if you liked it, but you need to be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment in order to enter into the 2 giveaways. And you can go over to my channel and watch the 2 short videos showing for each video the two different giveaways that I have going on. It shows everything that that's included in the giveaway, and I tell you how to enter it and how I'll get in contact with you. But if you have any questions about this or just anything in general, just drop me a comment. So let's go ahead and get started in this new Five Below haul. First I'm going to show you this pajama set, and let's see if it tells you how much. It doesn't tell you how much, but these were like $5 a piece. This is the gingerbread, and it is a pajama top. It's real stretchy, and it feels real soft, and you can see how it feels real nice. It's got polyester in it and something else I can't remember, but it's not that rough polyester. It's that real soft, and it's stretchy, which I just showed you. And then here's the pants. It has gingerbread all over it, and there's a waist that stretches way out, and there's a tie where you can let me see here, you can pull it tighter if you want and tie it, but you can pick any size top and then whatever size bottom you need. I like them when you can buy them separate like this instead of one set and the top fits you but the bottoms don't. But I like them. I can't talk today. But how y'all doing? I hope y'all are ready for Thanksgiving. And what are your plans for this Thanksgiving? Are you staying home or just going out, family and friends? Whichever. Be safe traveling if you're traveling. And I hope you have a real good Thanksgiving. Me, I think we're just staying home. We might go out. We ain't made up our mind yet. Because our stove went out, and we don't get to get the new one until the 7th of December. But so we'll probably go out. Okay. And there's this headband. It's got this little ponytail thing with a pom-pom ball on it too, as a little extra, because this is the I can get this off here. Let me just rip it off. I want to show you this without the there. And then all you have to do once you pull that cardboard label off with the price and all that, get you some scissors and just cut that little, don't pull it, it might mess up the headband. But this is the headband. Feel. Okay. See how easy it is to, it's not one of them real tight ones, but I've been seeing people all over YouTube doing makeup videos, and they use these to pull their hair back. I thought I'd get me one. It was only $3. And then I got me a loofah, a pink one. I made sure, I wanted one of the lilac ones, but it wasn't wrapped, and and I just, I'm extra cautious because you don't know if it's been on the floor or whatever. And a 3-pack of these makeup blenders. And I took it out. It's real, it's kind of firm, but not too firm. And once you get it wet, it'll soften up a little bit more. And I also got this Everyday Glam palette. That's what the front looks like. And then the back, let me see, is just plain. And then it opens up like this on the side. You have a mirror there and all different shades of eyeshadow, and then you've got some for blush and highlighter down here on the bottom. And this was only $10. And then I picked out these. I got them a size bigger because I normally wear a small or a 4.5, 5, but these I had to size up because they're a size 6, 7, but they fit me. My heel goes right to here, and it's not real tight up here, and they don't flop up and down. These are so soft, and for $5 you can't beat it. And this isn't makeup or anything, but I love this. I think this will look great in my kitchen when I do the coffee bar. And I think it was $3. And it's just like that. And then let me show you the little bit of makeup I got. I got this shade of lip gloss. They were out of the mascara and the foundation, but I did get some of the same brand. This is Wet n Wild, and I went to another store, and I'll be doing a haul with some foundation and stuff. So here's the blush. It was $3. And then we've got some highlighter, and I believe, yes, I done showed you the lip gloss. And the last two items, this one I believe is the dupe. This, all I know is they had a tester of the perfume, and if you get a chance to buy one of these, you ought to pick it up, because for $10 it's dead on the dupe for what this is. But I can't see it because of my cataracts to tell you, but I'm showing you up real close. And then the last thing, one of these is the dupe for Victoria's Secret. I just can't see. My husband told me which one, but I can't see, and I'm sorry about that. But now this one, there's the top. This one is dead on too, the smell. I mean, I like this scent better than the other one. But, I mean, I sprayed the air, and I'm like, oh my goodness. So I sprayed my my wrist, and I went like that, and then that, and I smelled it, and I couldn't grab one fast enough. Okay, that's it for today's Five Below haul. I hope y'all liked it. If you did, hit that like bell, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell and the notification and the all button. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads. All right, hugs and kisses from Kentucky. Bye bye.